In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to emails in a new window in Outlook. If you've ever wanted to write a reply while still browsing your inbox, comparing details from another message, or working on a second monitor, opening your reply in its own window is the perfect solution. This walkthrough uses Outlook on the web, and the experience is very similar in the desktop app. Start on your Outlook home screen in your Mail view. Make sure you're looking at your inbox or the folder where the message lives. You'll see your message list on the left, and when you select a message, the reading pane on the right. That reading pane is where Outlook usually places replies by default, which is why we'll switch to a separate window. Find the email you want to respond to and right-click it in the message list. From the context menu, choose Reply. If you prefer, you can select the message and use the Reply button that appears above the reading pane. The result is the same. Outlook will open a reply draft in the reading pane, with the recipient and subject ready to go. This is a great moment to confirm you're replying to the correct person or group and that the subject line looks right, especially in long threads. Now, look to the top right area of that reply draft in the reading pane. You'll see a small icon that pops the message out into a new window. It typically looks like a square with an arrow pointing out, and it may be labeled Pop Out or Open in New Window. Click that icon. Instantly, your reply moves into its own dedicated window you can drag, resize, or place on another screen. This gives you room to format your message, add attachments, and keep an eye on your inbox at the same time. If you don't immediately see the pop-out icon, try widening your browser window or look for additional options within the Composer's toolbar. Sometimes the control is tucked behind overflow menus when space is tight. Once your reply is in a separate window, you can reference other emails, copy details, or even open calendar items without losing your place. When you're finished, press Send from that window. If you need to pause, simply close the window. Outlook will save your draft so you can return to it later. That's all there is to it. Open your inbox, start your reply, and pop it out into a new window for a more flexible, focused composing experience.